Hello. Welcome to the fourth part of our series on how to take your brick-and-mortar business online. In this video, I will show you how to register to Moosend and connect your website with our platform to start promoting your online business with all the essential tools. Moosend includes a wide variety of features to effectively market your e-store without breaking the bank, and it doesn't require any technical skills. So let's see how you can create a Moosend account and get down to business. Go to moosend.com and click on the Register button to create a new account. In the email field, type in your email address, and click Continue. Next, fill in your login domain, which is the URL you'll be using to visit your account, as well as a password. When you're done, click Register. That's it, you're in. Now simply type in your first and last name, company address, and business information and complete the setup process. Fill in the rest of the details like company name, address and industry, and click Continue. When you're done, a message will appear informing you that a confirmation email has been sent to your inbox. There's a chance it's arrived at your spam folder, so make sure you check that too. Click on the Activate Account button on the email. That's it, your Moosend account is ready. Now, it's time to connect your e-store to Moosend. This way you will be able to use Moosend website tracking that lets you track your visitors' actions and tie them to your campaigns. That means you can see when a customer added a product to their cart but left the website, or when they simply viewed a product. By tracking these actions, you will later be able to create highly personalized experiences for every visitor by setting up your own automation workflows. So let's see how you can connect your WordPress website to Moosend. On the Moosend dashboard, click on the Settings button. On the menu that appears, click the Websites option. Click on the Add Website button to add a new website to your list. Fill in the domain of your website on the Website Domain area. Click on the Next button. Once you connect your website, a website ID is generated automatically. Copy this, and go to your website admin area, or dashboard as we call it. Now it's time to install the Moosend tracking plugin to your website. That's a very simple step to do, as you can install it directly from your dashboard. Click on the Plugins option on the menu. Then, click on the Add New button on the top. On the search bar, type Moosend Website Tracking, and when the plugin appears, click Install Now. Once it is installed, click the Activate button. Click on the Settings option of your Moosend Website Tracking plugin, and paste the website ID on the field there. Then click Save Changes. A confirmation message will appear on the top. Keep in mind that your website will be verified as soon as the first event is tracked. This means that someone has to visit your website and complete an action like browsing a page or viewing a product. When this happens, go back to the Websites tab on your Moosend account and check the tracking status of your website, and it will be verified. This means that your domain is successfully connected with Moosend's tracking system. Once your website is connected to your Moosend account and verified, a new mailing list will be created automatically when the first user subscribes and becomes identified. Simple as that. Now that your website is connected to Moosend, you can start tracking your visitors' actions and create highly personalized campaigns. Please take a moment to leave a comment below about your experience completing this tutorial.